Hi children, welcome to your next class. Are you happy at home? How are you dears, little ones? Yeah, very nice children. So, last class we finished all our cursive writings, isn't it? So today we are going to start with our next topic, that is your punctuation. Little ones, please take your page number as you see on the board, page number 41, 42 in your hands. Are you ready with the worksheet? Page number, I repeat once more, page number 41 and 42. Yes, ready children? Shall we do our next topic? Okay, hi. Then I hope all are sitting on a table, are you? Yeah, sit on a table and write neatly with your pencil, erasers, get ready for our class. Okay children, so now take page number 41 and 42 and we'll go through this set of worksheet today. It's a small bit of awareness, I can't say it is a grammar, but it is a kind of awareness. Okay, so shall we go? Ready with your worksheet? Yes. So take your page number 41. Punctuation. Can you repeat the word after me? Punctuation. Repeat. Punctuation. Okay, very good. So, we know there are a lot of punctuations in English language. We have more than, I think it's more than 14 or 15 punctuations in English language. But you are class children of class 1. So, you need to study only 3 punctuations today. Only 3 punctuations. So, this is the same thing I've copied from your worksheet. It's printed on the board. Punctuations. There are 14 punctuation marks commonly used in English. How many? 14 punctuation marks used in English. We are going to learn 3 out of them. Only we are going to learn 3 out of them. They are capitalization, full stop and question mark. Only 3 punctuation you have to study today. That is capitalization, full stop and question mark. Repeat, capitalization, full stop and question mark. These are the 3 punctuations you have to study for your class 1. So we'll go to each one by one. So first one is capitalization. What is capitalization? The first letter of a sentence always must begin with a capital letter. What is that? The first letter of a sentence. You know what is a sentence, isn't it? Last class we wrote few sentences. So, the first letter of a sentence always must begin with capital letter. It is a rule. It must begin with a capital letter. Example. Okay. See, I have a puppy. I have a puppy. Is the first word or the first alphabet in capital? Yes or no? No. A small I is written there, isn't it? So, the next line you see, so this first line is wrong. And next line you see, I have a puppy. Here you have capital I, isn't it? Capital I. So, that is correct. That is correct. So, always begin a sentence with capital letter. Begin a sentence with capital letter. Is it clear? Okay, shall we see a few examples of this? See, a capital A is dancing. This is a capital letter, isn't it? Yes, next. The girl is playing the piano. The girl is playing the piano. Is this sentence correct or wrong? Can you say? Is it? It is wrong. T is small t, isn't it? So we have to cut it and make it capital T. So this few examples not from your worksheet, okay. The girl is playing the piano. So that is capital T. Jia gave the books to Ryan. See in this sentence, Jia gave the books to Ryan. Here also J is small j. So this is wrong. You have to write capital J. So that sentence given is wrong. Make it capital. The dad is driving. Can you see dad driving? Yes. Here also small t is written. It is correct or wrong the sentence? It is wrong, isn't it? So cut it and make it small. Make it a T. Yes, make it a T. Okay. So the dad is driving. So understood, children? So whenever you begin a sentence, use capital letters. That is a first rule. Now next come full stop. Next is a full stop. A common form of punctuation mostly used to end a sentence. It's a common form of punctuation used to end a sentence. We end a sentence with a full stop, isn't it? Don't write a sentence and go. You should end it with a full stop. So that is a second punctuation you have to study. First one was begin a sentence with capital letter. Second is end a sentence with a full stop. So example, my puppy is white in color. My puppy is white in color. Is the sentence correct, children? No. Do you have a full stop here? No, isn't it? So this sentence is wrong. Okay, next sentence you see. My puppy is white in color. My puppy is white in color. Here it ends with a full stop, isn't it? So this sentence is correct. The first one is wrong because it doesn't have a full stop. Second sentence is correct. Why? Because it ends with a full stop. Okay. So shall we see a few more examples with picture? Full stop. See, a small full stop is dancing. Wow. So this is a book. Can you see a book on the picture? Yes. This is a book. So it ends with a full stop, but there is no full stop. So this is wrong. Should end with a full stop. A big dot you can put. Okay. So this is a book. Joe waited for the train. This boy is Joe and he is waiting for the train. And this sentence is also incorrect because it doesn't have a full stop. So put a full stop, big full stop. Because it's small children, you should put a dark full stop whenever you write. Next sentence. John is having 2 toys. See how John is playing. Is having 2 toys. Here also no full stop. So here also the sentence is only complete with the full stop. Okay. John is having 2 toys. Now it's correct. So the second point we have covered is that always end a sentence with a full stop. Okay, children. Now the third punctuation. What is the third one? Question mark. We use this punctuation, you know, isn't it? Question mark when we ask a question. When will we use question mark punctuation, that sign, to ask a question? When we ask a question, at the end of the sentence we add question mark. Example, what is your name? Is that sentence correct? It is a question, no? What is your name? But this is wrong because it doesn't have a question mark. What is your name? Yes, this is correct. Why? Because it ends with a question mark. The second sentence is correct. So this is the third punctuation, that is question mark. Whenever you ask a question, when you write that question on a bit of paper, you should put a question mark at the end. So question mark, be very clear. Okay, so 3 punctuation we have studied today is first one. What is the first one? Can you repeat? Can you say louder? Capitalization. Use begin a sentence using capital letter. Second one is you should end with a full stop, and if it is a question sentence, end with a question mark. Okay, clear children? So that is a topic covered in page number 41. Now we will go to few examples. Okay, have a question mark. Yes, question mark. Few examples with question mark. See, how many burger did you eat? The mama is asking, how many burger did you eat? It's a question, no? So you have to add a question mark at the end. The next sentence, what color is the dog? See, lovely dog, isn't it? Can you guess what color is the dog? It's a bit of black and brown, I think, coffee brown. What color is the dog? Here also it's a question. Okay, so end with a question mark. The next one, third one, will you play with me? The boy is asking, will you play with me? Here also, will you play with me? It's a question, yes or no? Yes. So end with a question mark. Okay. Will you play with me? It's a question. Understood, children? So, whenever a question is asked, don't forget to put a question mark after the sentence. Okay. So, these are the 3 punctuation. We repeat once more again and again. I am repeating, children, because you should keep these in mind when you write your question answers and when you go do your worksheets compulsory. Okay, so always begin with a capitalization, capital letter. Capitalization means capital letter. Second point is the sentence, if it is not a question, it should end with a full stop, and if it is a question sentence, you should end with a question mark. Understood, children? This much is clear? Okay, now turn your worksheet, take to page number 42. Okay, so before that I have to say something, that is, we have lot of exercises given here on page number 42. We have, I think, 16. So we can't go through all the sentences and write everything, go detailed. So some will be taught in the class and rest you have to do it by yourself, and parents have to go through and check whether your child written is correct or wrong. You have to evaluate your child's sheet. Okay, so now I will go through some of the exercises here. Okay, now page number 42. Okay. So next page number 42, punctuate the following sentences. Punctuate the following sentences. Okay, children. So that is in your page number 42. Take it out. Take a pencil and eraser and we'll do few sentences as written on the board. We'll discuss. First one from your worksheet. I love to eat pizza. I love to eat pizza. Is this line correct? Yes or no? No. Why? Because it started with a small I. So make it a big I. So cancel this in your worksheet and write there a big I like this. I love to eat pizza. Okay, now itself you do. I love to cut in your worksheet with small I and make it a big I. I love to eat pizza. Next, John is going to school. John is going to school. What is the problem in the second one? Which punctuation is missing there? Yes, doesn't have a full stop. Yes, good. John is going to school. Put a dark full stop. Okay. So second one is over. Third question. What is your favorite season? I'll lift up the board. Wait a second. Okay. What is your favorite season? That is a question, isn't it? What is your favorite season? That is a question. So it should end with a question mark. So put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, with your pencil you can put a question mark. Fourth question. Ready? Is Miss going very fast? Can you do? Yes. Fourth question. Mom is, okay children, I missed the fourth question. Okay, question number 5. Isn't it? Mom is driving. Okay, fourth sentence you can do it by yourself. No, fourth one. I didn't write it on the board. It is cold today. It is cold today. What is the wrong in that sentence? Put a question mark at the end. Sorry, put a full stop at the end. It is cold today. It's a cold day. It is not a question, no? Put a full stop at the end. Okay, next one. Next one is on the board. Mom is driving. Mom is driving. What is wrong in the sentence? What is the punctuation mistake here? M is small. So cut with your pencil that M and write a big M here. Mom is driving. Did you do? Yes. Now the next question. Did it rain heavily last night? Did it rain heavily last night? What is wrong? It is a question. Did it rain heavily last night? Did it rain, children? Okay, yes, it's a question. So end with a question mark. End with a question mark. Now next sentence. I love to read. I love to read. So here also you can see this small letter I, cancel small letter I and make it a big I. I love to read. Full stop is already given. So what is wrong in the sentence? Capital I, make it capital I. Then next. We must always help others. We must always help others. What is wrong in that sentence? W is capital. What is wrong? No full stop. Okay, very good. So put full stop at the end. Okay, I'll lift the page. Okay, next. We must always help others. It is not a question. There is no question mark here. But it is a plain sentence. So put a full stop. We must always help others. Okay, so these are the 3 punctuation mark you have to remember whenever you write. So read each sentence by sentence and check what is wrong there, which punctuation is missing. Check the first letter. If it is not a capital, make it capital. And if it's a question sentence, if doesn't end with a question mark, put a question mark. And if it is a plain sentence, put a full stop at the end. Okay, so number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, you have to do it by yourself. Understood, children? So that's all our class. Next class we'll go to the next set of worksheet and we will finish it off, the punctuations. Okay, so be very careful, children. Other examples you have to do sitting at home. Will you obey me? Yes, I know you are a good children. So you see the video once more. If you have doubt, you do it. See, watch again and again. And 3 points must be clear. Capitalization, full stop and question mark. Okay, go through the video once more and finish your page number 42. Okay, did you like my class? Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.